Hello everyone and welcome back to our Python programming course. In the previous video, we learned about loops and how they help us repeat tasks efficiently using for and while loops. Today we are going to learn about one of the most commonly used data types in Python, strings. Almost every real world application works with text, whether it's a person name, email address, password, city name, or a message displayed on the screen. All of these are stored as a string. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what strings are, how to access individual characters, extract parts of a string, perform operation, and useful built-in string methods. First slide is a introduction of string in Python. So think about the apps you use every day. When you log into Instagram, type your name into a registration form, search on Google, or send a message on WhatsApp, you are working with text. In Python, text is stored using strings. A string is simply a sequence of characters. Character can be letter, number, spaces, or special symbols. Strings are one of the most important data types in the Python because almost every program needs to process text. Second slide is what will you learn. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what strings are, creating strings in Python, accessing characters using indexing, extract text using slicing, use common string methods, apply string in the real world programs. Let's first understand how strings are created. So third slide is what is a string. So a string is a sequence of characters enclosed within quotes. Python allows us to create strings using single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Here are some examples like name equal to Johan, city equal to Delhi, message equal to welcome to Python. These are valid strings. Triple quotes are especially useful when writing text that spans multiple lines. So example is text equal to triple quotes Python is awesome. Strings can contain letters, numbers, punctuation marks, spaces, and even emojis. Once a string is created, Python stores every character in memory one after another. Second core slide is string indexing. Every character in a single has its own position called index. Let's consider the string word equal to Python. Positive indexing starts from 0. So the position are p equal to 0, y equal to 1, t equal to 2, h equal to 3, o equal to 4, and n equal to 5. Python also supports negative indexing, which starts from the end. N has index -1, 0 has index -2, p has index -6. Let's access individual characters. Python word equal to Python print word in the square bracket 0, print word in square bracket -1. The output is p or n. Indexing allows us to retrieve a single character from a string. So fifth slide is string slicing. Sometimes we need more than one character, for that we use slicing. The syntax is string in square bracket start colon end. The starting indexing is included, but the ending index is not included. Let's see some examples. Word equal to Python print word in square bracket 0 colon 3. So output is pyt. Now Python print word in square bracket 2 colon 6. So output is thon. Next Python word is colon 4. So text is pyth, and Python print word 3 colon nothing. So text is hon. Slicing is extremely useful when extracting username, while name, states, or any specific portion of text. So slide 6 is starting string methods. So Python provides many built-in methods to work with strings. Let's look at some common ones. Text equal to Python programming, convert to uppercase, print text dot upper. So text is Python programming in a capital letter. Convert to lowercase, print text dot lower. So Python programming in this is the output in a lower character. Convert the first letter of every word to uppercase. So print text dot title. So Python programming capitalize only the first letter, and the Python text dot capitalize. So Python programming output is remove extra spaces. So text equal to in colon gap Python gap print text dot strip. So this is a remove the gaps. Find the word Python equal text dot find thon. Count the number of characters. So print len text. These methods make using with the same much easier. So slide is string operator. String also support different operators like concatenation. We combine string using the plus operator. Python, the first equal to hello and second equal to word. Print first plus colon plus second. Text is output is a hello word. So uh, uh, repetition, we start a string using the multiplication operator. So print first star 3. So output is hello hello hello. Membership, we check whether whether a character exists inside a string. So Python h in first, so output is true. These operation are widely used in real world application. So 8th slide is string formatting. Often we need to combine variable with text. These are three common ways. The recommendation is f string. So name equal to Alice, age equal to 20, print my name is and I am age year old. So output is my name is Alice and I am 20 years old. F string are easier to read, faster and make the code cleaner. That's why most modern Python programs are used. So 9th slide is complete examples. So name equal to input, enter your name, print upper and upper comma name dot upper, print length comma len name, print f welcome comma name. So suppose the user enters text Alex, the output becomes is upper Alex, length 4, welcome Alex. One important thing to remember is that strings are immutable. This means you cannot directly change the character inside a string. For example, word equal to Python. So word in square bracket 0 equal to j. This will produce an error because string cannot be modified character by character. Another common mistake is trying to access an index that does not exist. Word equal to Python, print equal to word 0. These cause an index error because the string has only 6 characters. So last slide is summary. What next? Let's quickly revise today's lesson. We learned the strings are used to store text in Python. We saw how to create strings using single, double and triple quotes. We understood indexing, which helps us access individual character, and slicing, which allow us to extract portion of a string. We also explored useful string methods like upper, lower, title, capitalize, strip, replace, find and len. Then we learned about string operations such as concatenation, repetition and membership testing. Finally, we saw how f string make formatting text simple and readable. Strings are used in almost every Python program, so make sure to practice these concepts thoroughly. In the next video, we will learn about list in Python, one of the most powerful and flexible data structure for storing multiple values. Thank you for watching this lesson. Keep practicing, keep experimenting with different string methods, and I will see you in the next video. Happy